What's up, guys? Today I am going to be making the biggest ball of kinetic sand. So I got kinetic sand for Christmas and I'm going to make a huge ball of it. So I'm going to take the whole kinetic sand and make it into a big ball. Feels nice. I asked Ray if he wanted to be in the video. He said no, so. Alright, I'm gonna make a thumbnail. Alright guys, and so stop fooling around and actually get to business. I'm gonna make this. No, stay on. Don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take my little creation here. I'm gonna mash it up. Oh crap, the ball. In the next video, I'm going to be making the Great Wall of China out of kinetic sand. This will take a while. I'll meet you guys when I get this a little bit. Alright guys, it's way bigger. Put this there. Gotta keep this in my whole hand. Another creation, just dab it on there. Getting pretty big. Oh god. So I'm gonna set it down and I'm gonna build it. It's gonna be biggest ball ever. Well, not ever. There's some bigger balls than this, made out of kinetic sand. When I get more kinetic sand one day, then I'll definitely make one big ball. Right now, this looks like a mountain. Like the Great Mountain of China. Dab it on there. Dab the little crease there. Yeah, we're making the biggest mountain or ball ever. Well, not ever yet again, but it's big. Not bigger than me though. That's the thing. So, yeah, I'm almost done. Yeah, that's my sister. So, here you have, one of the biggest balls made out of kinetic sand. Peace.